Good afternoon, kids. This is Grandma Freeman, and I've been working hard cleaning and reorganizing my pantry. And so now I have a good idea of what food I can use for my menu for January, for my no spin month. And I was able to come up with 31 meals from pantry, refrigerator, and freezer. And so I have it all written down. And some of my ideas, of course, I had the black eyed pea soup. And then on Friday, I made some mac and cheese. And I just finished the rest of the mac and cheese for lunch today with some leftover salad and bacon bits. So, certain things, most of my cheeses, or in fact, all of my cheese is gone now, but I'm planning tacos for tomorrow. So my son's going to buy some cheese. I think it's cheddar cheese that he's going to bring home. And then, so we'll have tacos on Tuesday. We're having leftovers tonight. And of course, we'll have leftover tacos on Wednesday. And then Thursday, I didn't know what to do, but I have some Dinty Moore beef stew that I need to use. So I may have that for dinner on Thursday. I'm going to have salmon patties on Friday with rice pilaf and peas. Now, the reason I'm having peas, when I went through my pantry, I think it's 6 cans of green peas that were supposed to be used in December. So this month, one of my main vegetables is going to be green peas from cans. So I have to use those up because that's the only thing that was in my pantry that was from December, from 2024. So everything else is either 2025, 26, or 27. And there was 2 cans of salmon that were 2028. But I have that worked into my meal plan because I like salmon patties. So some of my other meals, I'm going to have some rice pilaf with sliced Vienna sausages, and I have some stewing chicken that's on the bone, so I'm going to stew that up, and then I'll probably have leftovers, and I can freeze some of that for other meals. And then I plan to have some probably roasted vegetables to go with the stewed chicken on Sunday the 12th. I have it written down. Of course, this menu plan is tentative, so I don't need to, it's not written in stone, in other words. So I can move things around or move things to February. And I'm still going to have a lot of things, canned foods, left in my pantry. I probably will use up most of the meat in my freezer and all of my vegetables. So, but I can get by through the rest of January without going to the grocery store, except this one thing, the cheese, the cheddar cheese for the tacos. So, and then I even had 1 can of sardines, and that was, I believe, the use by date was the 2027. So, and I'm going to have green peas with that too. I'm going to make sardine on toast and broil it a little bit, and that's really good. And sardines are very good for you. They have a lot of protein, and they're rich in the omega-3 fatty acids. So that I want to use. And then next month, when I do go shopping, I'd like to find some salmon, North Atlantic cold water salmon, not the farm salmon, but the fresh salmon. And I'd like to include that in my meal plan for February. And then if they have some sales on some stew meat, some good beef roasts, I'd like to get one of those. Maybe I'll spend a little bit more because I'm saving so much this month using up what I do already have in house. So this is what I have. I was able to write down every day of February through the 31st. And I do have a lot of nights that are leftovers. I'm going to be eating leftovers. And so I wrote that in, just leftovers. It'll be what I have left. And then, so I was able to, I had notes of clean and organize pantry, refrigerator, and freezer. Now, I didn't get to the refrigerator and freezer today, so tomorrow I'm going to start on the freezer and get that just to see what, I didn't miss anything. I think I know basically what's in there. And then also I'm going to start a grocery list for February and just start, whatever I think I'm running out of, I'll write that in, what I think I want to eat. Because my menu plan is going to change in February, and I'm going to eat, I hope I'm able to eat better in February. And then I also, I'm going to take an inventory of what's left at the end of January or the beginning of February. So this is very important to me because my budget is $250 a month. So right off the bat, I'm saving $250. And so I hope to pay off some of my credit card debt that I did we did some fence building last spring, and my Home Depot bill, it ran up pretty high, so I'm trying to bring that down. And I have a Target credit card, and I use that at Christmas, so I'm bringing that down. And so this is going to work out well. And also, not only am I saving money by having a no-spend January, I'm able to declutter my pantry and, of course, my refrigerator and freezer and clean those things out. I did wipe off my shelves. I did one shelf at a time, not to wear myself out too much. And I was able to wipe those shelves down and reorganize it. And I have a lot of baking goods, and I have a lot of white rice. I don't have any brown rice. I'll put that on my grocery list. And I have, I even have whole wheat flour, so I can make whole wheat bread, and or mix it. I mix it with both white and whole wheat flour. And then, so these things are important to me. And I also have a lot of pasta. And I have 3 pounds of ground beef, and that's going to help me with making meatballs and different things. And so I won't show you my pantry. It looks a lot neater now, and I know where everything is. And I even found some hot chocolate, and I'm going to enjoy those on these cold nights. The temperature here in Southeast Texas got down to 33 degrees, and it was, when I woke up, it was 33 degrees, and it said feels like 22. So hell freezes over too. No, I'm sorry. That's just a joke with me. Because it gets pretty hot in the summer and then pretty cold in the winter here in Southeast Texas. And so I feel pretty good about this because I was able to clean and reorganize my pantry, and then I made a meal plan, a tentative meal plan for January. And then I even have enough left over to start February, and I have red beans and rice, and I'm going to add stewing beef to the beans, and then I can have leftovers. I wrote that on a Monday because Monday's a good day to cook beans, but I may switch that over to Sunday. It depends on what I can find for Sunday, because I probably won't go grocery shopping in February until the end of the week, either the 6th or the 7th in February. And definitely I'm going to try to avoid going in January because I want to see how far I can go. Maybe I'll even go into February before, and maybe just the middle of February before I go grocery shopping. But I think I am going to need some fresh vegetables to make soups and things like that. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day. Bye now.